Finally, I have another one that is kind of, all these are kind of basic and small, but if you look on your project page or your project home page, when you open that up, I've only got two people associated in my project. One of them is me and one of them is Tanya. If you click on it, on this name or whatever, it's going to open up Outlook and show my email address. So if for some reason you would prefer not to let that happen, there is an external module that we can add that's called hide email addresses. So I haven't enabled this yet, so I'll go ahead and enable it. This is configurable, but I'm going to just show you right off the bat, out of the box, without any configuration, how it works. If we look at Project Home, notice there are no email addresses showing now, so you won't know who they are. I mean, won't be able to click and find out their email address just from their user name. If we come back to the external module and configure it, you can also hide the entire user list on that home page. So if I click on that and go to my project home page, notice they're gone. So you don't know who, I mean, so if you have user rights, then you're going to be able to see things like this. But for those people, and there's many people in a project, especially when you have large projects like the antibody testing or some of the other ones that have, you know, maybe 20, 25 coordinators and 3 people have user rights, then you don't want somebody to be able to get all this information. So on the project homepage, you may want to hide all of that. So again, if I come back here and configure this and uncheck it, it will at least allow you in the project homepage to see who the users are for this project that are associated to it. And that is the hide email addresses on project homepage external module. Any questions?